This is tutorial number 75, and it covers how to make a smoothed edge bolt within SOLIDWORKS. Now to start off, open up the bolt, which I've included on the DVD. Now what we're going to do in this tutorial is I'm going to show you how to make the rounded edges or the smooth edges that you see in the bolts that you buy. Now the bolts that I've made here is just flat edges all the way around. And when you go and buy bolts or nuts, when you see them, they have smooth edges all around, and it has like a variable radius. So at the edges here, at the corners, it's a larger chamfer or fillet, and when it comes to an edge, when it's around here, it's a little smaller. Now to get this effect, I'll show you one way of doing it. So right now, let's go to the front view and rotate it up around so we can see the bolt, have it appearing like this. Now if you go through your planes, you're going to be able to see that we can draw on the top plane. So let's click the top plane, click sketch, and now we're going to make a sketch. Now to get this effect, what we have to do is we're going to draw a triangle in the corner here, an axis down the middle, and revolve it around. So first let's draw out the triangle. So let's click line, and let's draw a triangle. And let's dimension this. Let's make this side 3.5. And let's make this side 3.5. Now let's click center line. And let's draw a line down the center, and we're going to use this to rotate our revolved cut around. Click OK. Now let's click feature, click revolved cut. Now we're going to use this sketch, so let's open it up in the tree, click the sketch that we just made, and it's automatically going to select this is the axis and that as the feature or the sketch that we're going to cut around. Now you can see in the preview, in the yellow is everything that we're going to cut. Looks good, we like it, let's click OK. And if we zoom out, you can see that we made the fillet all the way around, or curved edges all the way around the bolt, that at the corners it's more extreme, and as it comes more in to the middle of each edge, it goes down more. And this is representative of a bolt that you would see in real life. Now let's also do it on the bottom side, so let's open it up, click edit sketch, and let's make the same one on the bottom. So let's click line, and let's make a triangle again. Let's click the top view, zoom in, and let's dimension it the same as the other one, 3.5 and 3.5. Click OK to accept it. And now we've curved the edges on the top and the bottom. And looking at it, if we want to change the geometry a little bit, let's just go back into the sketch and let's change the sketch. So let's click edit sketch. And this time let's make the 3.5s on the vertical here, let's make them 2. And now we're going to have a different pattern. Click OK. And now you can see that the fillets and the blends that we've made on the edges have changed. And this concludes our tutorial on how to create smooth edges on a bolt within SOLIDWORKS.